Hey, what's up, YouTube? I'm back. Been away for a little bit. Me and the family went down to Disney for a week. Universal Studios also had a great time. Anyways, I have a gentleman who I have been trying to help out. He has a brand new plow frame, and the frame failed. The welds failed on it, so he came to me to weld it up. I told him, I was like, listen, I could weld it up, but he should try and get it warranted. He was dealing with problems with the company that he bought it through. We ended up calling the manufacturer directly. They warranted it for him. They sent it to him. He got the new one in. It was slightly longer than the original. Didn't fit. Sent it back. Got another one. Same thing. Now, while this was all going on, the company that he bought it through finally said, oh, we got your new part in, we warranty it. They put it in, they installed it. He came here to me tonight to remove it. I'm going to reinforce all the welds on it. And, well, what I found was a crying shame. The fact that a company would send a product out. Now, I don't believe the manufacturer's the one that did what I'm going to show you. I believe the company that he bought it from did this. And the fact that they did this, it's a shame because they are legitimately taking advantage of this guy. And, well, it could be dangerous and someone could get hurt. So, with that being said, I'm going to show you what they did and what it should look like. And I got to be honest, I'm mad for this guy. I really am. I'm really mad for this guy. So what's going to happen now is he has the two that they sent him that were too long. I'm going to take one of those. I'm going to cut it down, re-weld it back together for him, install it on the truck, and be done. You know, no more headaches, no more hassles, no more dealing with BS companies and dealers and stuff like that, because really, bottom line is they're out there to take your money from you and they don't care about you. That's the truth. All right, so here is the frame for the plow. This is what they're calling the frame for, but it's really just a receiver that goes on the front of a truck. Plow hooks into it right here. This is it. It's made by a company called Kurt. I don't know if you can see the name. There it is. Now, like I was saying before, I don't believe the manufacturer did what I'm about to show you. If they did, well, they deserve to be blasted all over the internet, and a shame on them. But I'm pretty sure that they didn't do this. I'm 100% positive that this was done by the dealer. And it's a local company around here who's been known to do some shady stuff over the years. But this right here is just ridiculous. This could actually kill somebody, most likely. I mean, this could break off and literally kill somebody. At least in my eyes. I mean, this is dangerous. Anyways, this is what they did. So, like I was saying before, he was having a problem. One of the welds failed, and it bent on the original one. The company that he bought it through didn't want to warranty anything for him, didn't want to help him out, wanted to charge him for a new one, all this stuff. He came to me. I contacted this company. They sent him a new one. Problem was that this tube right here was a 1/2 inch too long. So he sent it back, got another one. They pretty much sent him the same thing back with a 1/2 inch long tube. So what he's doing is actually going to get that. I'm going to take it. I'm going to cut this all off, shorten the tube back up, weld it all back on, be done. But this is what the dealership did and said, oh, we got your warranty replacement. This is what they did. And I'm 100% positive this is what they did. This is the crap that they sent to this poor guy. Look at that weld. So this is where it failed on his last one. Didn't have a weld on the backside here at all whatsoever. So what happened is this piece of metal bent down and ripped this whole factory weld out. So they welded this together. Look at that. Look at that crap. There's not even penetration in there at all whatsoever. Look at this. Look at this mess. Looks like grapes. How do you do this to a person? How do you sleep at night thinking that this is okay? That you just charge this guy hundreds of dollars and this is what you give him? This is the crap that you told him. You tell him that it's warranted and this is what you give. Look, oh, it keeps going. Look at this. I don't know if you can see it. That weld is already separating all the way down. All the way down. All the way across here. Look at this. Look at this ugly, we're going to call it fugly. This fugly mess. I mean, look at that. That's the factory weld right there. That's not. If you did this, you should be a damn shame of yourself to take advantage of a customer. You're a despicable person. And you deserve to be blasted all over the internet. But I'm not going to say who the company is that did this, because that's not who I am. But people that know me will hear about this. And I will definitely talk about this through my people. This is just downright shame. It's an absolute shame that you would do this to somebody. I'm going to fix it. I'm going to make them happy. And hopefully I won't have to see the guy anymore. Hopefully. Anywho. Okay, let's fix this guy's plow the right way now. Let's get it done for him. Let's clean up first. Safety first. Glasses, earplugs. Trying to do is grind out the weld without messing up this tube or this plate. That's what I was trying to do. Get that off without messing this plate up or losing any of this tube. Just want to give a shout out. Got some grinding discs to Empire Abrasive. Go to their website, empireabrasive.com. pretty much finished up most of this guy's problem. So this is what the old one looked like, if you remember. This was the old welds that these asshats did. Excuse my language, but this is ridiculous. This is the old welds that they did. And all this, all that in there, all that in that. Look at that, look how pretty that was. Alright, so I got his new one fixed up. I got it to the measurements it needed to be. I have it all welded up, and this is what it should look like. This is what they should look like. The welds. Welds all the way around. That's hot. Welds all the way around. Pretty. Okay. That's what it should look like. I believe the weld in the front are right there. That's a proper weld. So I'm pretty happy with this. I'm going to call this done. Next thing I got to do for this guy is this. This right here. This bent up on him. It's not supposed to be bent. I got to straighten it and then maybe weld like a little gusset. That's that. And hopefully I can get onto this project soon. Oh. Alright guys, well, it's another project done. It's like, I don't know, 8 o'clock at night on a Friday. Got that all welded up for the guy. Hopefully he's happy with it. Take my earplugs out. Oh, that's so much better. Okay, so I got that all welded up. That's done. Hope he's happy with it. I'm happy with it. I think it looks 10 times better. Now I just need his truck to get in here so I can bolt it on and make sure it fits properly. If you enjoyed this video, please hit like, subscribe to my channel, leave a message and a comment below. Okay? Until next time, see ya!